If you've been hearing the word peptides everywhere lately and wondering whether it's something your aging skin actually needs, you're not alone. Today, we're going to slow this trend right down and talk about peptides gently, clearly, and without the hype. This isn't about chasing youth. It's about supporting your skin as it changes. Peptides are tiny building blocks. Think of them as little messengers for your skin. They don't force your skin to do anything. They simply signal. As we age, our skin becomes quieter. It doesn't repair itself the way it once did. Peptides gently remind it to stay supportive. This is why peptides are considered a longevity ingredient, not a quick fix one. Peptides are trending because many people are stepping away from harsh anti-aging routines. Skin longevity is about keeping skin calm, resilient, and supported over time, and peptides fit beautifully into that. They're especially popular with mature skin because they don't burn, peel, or inflame. Let's be honest, peptides are helpful, but they're not magic. They can help support firmness, improve skin comfort, and strengthen the skin barrier over time. What they can't do is erase deep wrinkles overnight, and that's okay. Aging skin doesn't need aggression, it needs consistency. Peptides are especially good if your skin is dry, thinning, sensitive, or easily overwhelmed. If retinol feels like too much, peptides are often a kinder option. They work quietly in the background, which mature skin appreciates. Peptides work best in simple routines. You don't need 5 actives. 1 peptide serum or cream is enough. Use it on clean skin, follow with a moisturizer, and let it do its quiet work. Peptides won't turn back time, but they can help your skin feel supported as time moves forward. That's what longevity skincare is really about. If this kind of calm, age-aware skincare speaks to you, you're always welcome here. Take care of your skin and yourself.